What's up, YouTube? So, Brandon wrapped it back again, and today I'm wrapping one of my personal toys. What? Huh? We are going to wrap the boat.
For New Year's!
For New Year's.
New beginnings.
It was been supposed to wrap it, but we never got around to doing it. But now we finally, we're going to try to make it stand out, have it done for tomorrow so we can hit the water. So, about to get started. So we finished up the first part, doing gloss black around the whole boat, and then this color at the top until the actual vinyl gets here. It's gonna be a full graphic vinyl on the blue part, but it didn't get here yet, so I'm gonna just wrap it regardless, and then I'll take that part off when the new vinyl comes. And I'm changing that color too. But this is the black, gloss black. I still gotta cut out the stickers and stuff, but it's gonna look good. So on to do the side now. So that's day one. We was gonna knock it out in one day, but there's no reason to, so we're just gonna do it tomorrow. But so far, we've got the full side done. Did gloss black at the bottom, and I don't even know what color this is. I did a car this color like 2 years ago, and I still have some vinyl left, and I don't know why I had it for 2 years, but it just stayed. So this color looks real good. It's like a candy burgundy color almost. But still have to do the motor and the other side, and then let it sit in the sun, and we take it on the water, see how it looks. So tomorrow. All right, day two. So we finished one side, and as you can see, it looks 10 times better because the old gel or whatever you call it at the bottom was turning yellowish, and then the top was just completely faded. So now you have the black with this nice wine red color. Looks perfect with the black top and the black cover right there that goes across. So eventually I'm gonna get the bottom undercoated black. And I might wrap this top part right here in black, but I also have to do the motor. The original color I was supposed to wrap this boat was red, but I was like, you know what, that's kind of too bright. So I changed it to this color that I had left over, but I'm gonna do that color down the middle here, and then on the sides is gonna be gloss black. So about to knock out the other side, clean up the inside, and we're gonna take some shots in the water. Let's go. done. Took 2 days to do, probably 6 hours, 3 hours each day, but we're finished and it looks amazing. The old paint on it was just horrible. It made the boat just look like an old raggedy boat, but now this thing looks beautiful. So all I have to do now is clean up the inside. I still have to get the seats redone, but this is version 1 of my boat. The actual real wrap didn't come in yet, but I just wanted to wrap it because I hated the way it looked. So this is the first version of the boat. The second version I'll probably drop next month, but yeah, it's like a black and a red wine. And I also did the motor the same way. Black on the sides, the line in the middle. So now, about to put it in the sun, see how it look, and then take it to the water. See how it glistens in the water while I'm riding. Just driving around trying to find some sun, but finally found some. This is the finished product. If you look close, you can see the sparkles. You can't really see it in the video, but that's what you see when the sun hits it. It's a whole bunch of flakes. So I'm gonna let it sit in the sun for a little bit, and that's it.